Ever cast your mind to the task of installing and configuring IP network security cameras? It's a task that may seem daunting but broken down into manageable steps. It's something you can tackle with confidence. First things first, selecting the perfect spots for your cameras. Strategic placement is key, covering all desired areas for optimal security. Once you've decided on the locations, it's time to mount the cameras. Follow the guidelines provided by the manufacturer to ensure a secure installation. Remember, these cameras need to be well protected from the elements. Next, power up your cameras. Some models use Power over Ethernet, PoE, which conveniently combines power and data over a single cable. Once powered, connect the cameras to a network switch or a PoE switch using Ethernet cables. Now that the cameras are installed and powered, it's time to move on to the configuration process. Access the camera's interface by entering its IP address into a web browser. This information can usually be found in the user manual. Once you're in, log in using the default credentials. To ensure your security, change the password immediately. Proceed to set the network settings, including the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. Next, adjust the video settings to your liking. This includes the resolution, frame rate, and compression format. If your camera supports it, enable motion detection and define the areas to monitor, adjusting the sensitivity as needed. Set your recording parameters next. Decide where you'd like the recordings to be stored, whether that's locally on an SD card or on a network video recorder, NVR. To view your camera feeds from anywhere, set up remote access. This may involve configuring port forwarding on your router or using a cloud-based service provided by the camera manufacturer. Define user permissions by creating user accounts. Limit access to the camera settings based on user roles. Regularly check for firmware updates and apply them to ensure security and functionality improvements. Finally, if needed, integrate the cameras with other security systems or software. Remember, always refer to the camera's user manual and support resources for detailed instructions specific to your model. Ensure your camera system complies with privacy and legal regulations in your area. And if you're unsure, don't hesitate to consult with a professional for installation and configuration assistance. So, there you have it. Installing and configuring IP network security cameras doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these easy-to-follow steps, you'll be up and running in no time.